What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best electric scooters in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll kick things off with the Unagi Model 1 E500, aka the best folding electric scooter on the market in 2023. This model delivers a maximum speed of 17.5 miles per hour and a range of up to 15.5 miles per charge. It has maintenance-free 7.5-inch rubber tires, as well as an ergonomic throttle and electronic brake. There's a fun head hinge mechanism, which is one of the most ingenious we've seen on a scooter. Fold the tube down by dragging the two options at the bottom. In this position, the front wheel is also locked. Unagi's handlebars float over the rear fender, unlike other scooters that require you to attach them to the fender. Two thumbs are used to control the Unagi. The one on the right side of the steering wheel is for speed, while the one on the left is for braking. A large, bright LCD monitor sits in the center, displaying speed, distance traveled, and estimated remaining battery life. You can choose between 3 driving modes, each of which limits the maximum speed of the scooter. When driving in the dark, the 2 LEDs on the front provide a good view of what's ahead. Unagi also has a huge red taillight that stays on but flashes when braking. The only serious design criticism of the Model 1 E500 is that the steering wheel is not collapsible, making it less compact. Using 2 500-watt motors, the E500 can reach a speed of 17 miles per hour with the dual motor and a 170-pound rider on a flat surface. Additionally, you can discover a hidden setting online that allows the driver to reach its maximum speed. It can reach a top speed of about 19.5 miles per hour after unlocking the stealth mode. The Model 1 is designed to support 15.5 miles of range per charge, but as with all electric scooters, that figure is based on a best-case scenario. Overall, it has strong engines, a clean and vivid display, and a fantastic sense of style. Thumbs up, that's for sure. If you want to save money and still get a solid product, check out the Swagtron Swagger 5 Boost, also known as the best budget electric scooter on the market in 2023. The Swagger 5 Boost replaces the company's entry-level commuter scooter, the Elite, while relieving the engine and tires. While this model's basic looks won't win you any style points, it strikes a good balance between price and features. Available in 2 colors, this lightweight aluminum electric scooter can carry a weight of up to 320 pounds. The Swagtron Swagger 5 Boost has a 300-watt motor paired with a 37-volt lithium-ion battery that gives this particular scooter a top speed of 18 miles per hour. It also has a maximum mileage of 11 miles per charge and enough climbing range to get you through certain levels. It's a lightweight scooter made of aluminum that weighs only 26.5 pounds. But still, it can carry a weight of up to 320 pounds. On top of that, this product has an IPX4 rating, which ensures that you can cross small amounts of water without worry. Some other features include puncture-resistant 8-inch honeycomb tires that have a bit of suspension, but also allow you to not worry about flat tires, a foot brake, and a mechanical disc brake on the rear wheel with auto guard, a wide, full-size tire, and LED front and rear lights to illuminate the road. It only takes 3.5 hours to charge the battery after riding, which is actually quite fast compared to other scooters at this level. The Swagtron Swagger 5 Boost has 3 riding modes or speeds, each with its own top speed. The first is the slowest, which is the first gear and reaches a maximum speed of 5 miles per hour. This speed is perfect when trying to navigate the city carefully or when navigating a road with a lot of pedestrians. Next is the second gear, which offers a standard top speed of 10 miles per hour. This is perfect for busy roads or frequently traveled terrain. Finally, we have the fastest mode, which is the scooter's third gear, which maximizes the engine's torque at 18 miles per hour. The 3 speed modes of this e-scooter accelerate to full speed in just a few seconds, so there's nothing to complain about the torque of the e-scooter. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. If you want to get the top bang for the buck, check out the GoTrax XR Ultra, also known as the best value electric scooter available on the market in 2023. GoTrax is known for making affordable electric scooters that have impressive performance, and that includes the XR Ultra. The company has crammed as many high-end features as they can get away with on a budget version. Notably, this includes an LG-based lithium-ion battery that immediately sets the XR Ultra apart from other competitors in this price range. Also, you get 8.5-inch air-filled tires, a 300-watt motor, cruise control, 2-speed mode, and a dual braking system, all of which can be seen on much higher-priced models. While there are some compromises to be made, the GoTrax XR Ultra delivers decent power, speed, and reliability with some fun features. It's powered by an LG battery. This model has a range of 16 miles when fully charged, which is an improvement over the older versions. Designed primarily for adults, it has a weight capacity of up to 220 pounds, but younger adults will enjoy this scooter too. It offers smooth acceleration thanks to the unique 300-watt motor and decent climbing. With a dual braking system and an upgraded LG battery, this model easily outperforms its predecessor. The GoTrax XR Ultra handles hills relatively well and can climb slopes of up to 15 degrees without much trouble. The extra torque of the front-wheel motor gives it an edge over rear-wheel motor e-scooters, and gentle inclines won't be a problem. The GoTrax XR Ultra electric scooter is praised for its official top speed of 15.5 miles per hour, which is more than enough power for everyday driving. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Up next, we present to you the silver medal and the title of the runner-up Best Electric Scooter in 2023. We're talking about the Segway Ninebot Kickscooter Max. This is a robust, powerful electric scooter delivering an impressive 40 miles per charge. This electric scooter is perfect for people who need to travel long distances without worrying about the battery. It's perfectly compliant with scooter regulations and reaches a speed limit of 15.5 miles per hour. The Segway Ninebot Kickscooter Max thinks about comfort for long trips and comfort in every way. We're talking about the fact that its long-lasting batteries can also be removed, which allows you to travel those massive distances. The 10-inch tires provide a smooth ride and great stability, as well as shock absorption. They have a gelatin coating that'll not allow any obstacle to penetrate them. The double braking system will provide you with great safety when walking. The most prominent features of this scooter model are the speed, which can reach a maximum value of up to 15.5 miles per hour. The engine has a standard power of 350 watts and a maximum power of 800 watts. Another feature of this model is its portable folding design, as the Segway Ninebot Max has a total weight of 50 pounds. Plus, the built-in charger and one-step folding system makes storing this scooter quick and easy. As noted, this model has a double braking system, which provides the user with greater safety and stability. In addition, all its components are waterproof, with resistance at IPX7 level. Finally, other features favoring user comfort are front and rear LED lights, as well as brake lights. Thanks to the presence of these lights, the user will be able to use the Segway Ninebot Max electric scooter at any time. In addition, the rotating hood and side reflectors help to increase safety on the road. This model also offers a choice of 3 driving options. This model also has a handy LED display that helps you track speed, distance, and adjust cruise control, driving modes, and more. Good stuff. The gold medal and the title of the best overall electric scooter in 2023 quite deservedly went to the NIU KQi3 Pro. The NIU KQi3 Pro is the company's most ambitious electric scooter to date. It has a 350-watt motor that can reach a maximum power of 700 watts, and the front closure, when folded, is double and guarantees a firm and secure hold. The steering wheel is hard, and its good height of 540 millimeters guarantees top-notch stability. This model's maximum load capacity is 220 pounds, and the instant power delivered ensures that anyone can quickly reach a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. Rear-wheel drive increases overall agility and improves the scooter's turning radius. Users can also set this scoot to the e-save mode. This is easily done using the power buttons. This limits the power to about 9 miles per hour, which can be interesting in parks with many pedestrians around. Further, it should be noted that the scooter is well equipped with catadioptric reflectors. The latter can increase its beam of light with greater intensity. In addition to battery and mileage control, with the NIU app, you can also configure the level of regenerative braking or the maximum speed. The screen just might be the best thing this product has. It's bright, and the digits can be seen without any problems in broad daylight and with sunglasses. It offers information in a simple way and without any complications. Exactly what we're looking for when we move around the city on an electric scooter. With one glance, we check whether the application is connected, whether we're wearing a headlight, or the speed at which we're driving. In conclusion, this is an electric scooter that moves freely in traffic, does not give up when the battery drops to a minimum, and guarantees 25 miles of autonomy in a city with hills. It is robust and stable enough to make everyone feel safe on it. Overall, this model delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best? You got it. So that's it for the top 5 best electric scooters in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.